Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. So today I thought I would do a compilation video of all my 2020 Apple product unboxings, just because if I were scrolling through YouTube, I would love to watch this video because unboxings are so satisfying. And please, if you like this video, subscribe. Help me reach 2,000 subscribers. I am so close. So without further ado, let's go on with today's video.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we lived so fast.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Definitely so satisfying to watch. So if you did like it, please subscribe down below, become part of the fam. I do so many videos on unboxings and Apple products, and just in general, I love tech and lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, you can subscribe down below. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!